In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightning Record Page component in Salesforce. Now, whether you're customizing Salesforce for your team or implementing a new functionality, understanding how to build these components can significantly enhance your Salesforce experience. So, let's dive right in. First, head on over to your Salesforce homepage. This serves as your command center, where you can access different settings and functionalities. Once you're there, locate the Quick Settings menu. It's often represented by a small gear icon, which is your shortcut to various settings you might need to adjust or explore. Next, open Advanced Setup from the Quick Settings menu. This section is especially useful as it houses the more comprehensive setup options for your Salesforce environment. From here, we'll be refining a specific area, so stay with me. Once Advanced Setup is open, look for the Object Manager tab. Object Manager is a powerful tool in Salesforce, allowing you to manage your different objects, essentially your data structures, within Salesforce. Click on it and you'll find yourself amidst a list of all the objects available. With Object Manager open, choose an object that you want to create a Lightning Record Page for. This selection is critical as the object you choose will determine where the new page component will apply. Once you've selected your target object, look along the sidebar and click on Lightning Record Pages. This will direct you to a section dedicated to configuring and managing your page layouts. Now, in the Lightning Record Pages area, you'll see a New button. Click on it. You're about to start the creation process for your new component. You'll be presented with several template options. Here, select Record Page and move forward by hitting Next. At this stage, it's important to define a label name. This label will help you identify this particular record page component later, so make sure it's descriptive and clear. After you input the label name, you'll be prompted to select an object again to verify your focus. Continue by clicking Next again and then Done, signaling that you've finished setting up your component's initial framework. The next phase is about choosing a component and arranging it within your layout. Simply drag your desired component to the middle section of your layout. Salesforce provides numerous pre-built components. Consider what information you need most accessible when designing this part. After arranging your components, click on Save. Saving locks in your new layout and its configurations. You can then proceed to click on Activation if you need to specify any conditions for when this page should be used. Finally, once everything is set, close the setup by clicking on the Close button. This will finalize your changes, completing the setup of your new Lightning Record Page component. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Lightning Record Page component in Salesforce. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and informative. Remember, customizing Salesforce to meet your specific needs is a process of exploration and adjustment, so feel free to continue experimenting with different setups. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.